Behemoths on Wheels, Unveiling the 12 Biggest Tank Transporters in the World, Military Trucks. Introduction. Step into the world of military logistics where raw power meets colossal engineering. This article takes you on a journey to explore the 12 biggest tank transporters, formidable military trucks designed to haul massive tanks across challenging terrains. From heavy-duty giants to technological marvels, discover the impressive capabilities of these behemoths on wheels. 1. Oshkosh M1070 HET, Heavy Equipment Transport. Delve into the features and capabilities of the Oshkosh M1070 HET, a powerhouse designed to transport the heaviest military equipment, including main battle tanks. 2. MAZ 547V, the Soviet Titan. Explore the Soviet-era MAZ 547V, a legendary tank transporter known for its robustness and ability to carry heavy loads over long distances. 3. MAN HX-77, German Precision in Motion. Uncover the German engineering prowess behind the MAN HX-77, a military truck renowned for its agility, off-road capability, and reliable performance. 4. Scammell Contractor, a British icon. Examine the historical significance of the Scammell Contractor, a British-made tank transporter that played a crucial role in military logistics. 5. Volvo F12 Globetrotter, hauling tanks with style. Appreciate the Volvo F12 Globetrotter, a military version of the renowned truck, known for its comfort, versatility, and efficient tank transportation. 6. MZKT 79221, a Russian heavyweight. Dive into the specifications of the MZKT 79221, a Russian tank transporter with impressive load-carrying capacity and exceptional cross-country mobility. 7. Kenworth C500, Power and Performance Combined. Explore the Kenworth C500, an American-made tank transporter celebrated for its powerful engines, robust construction, and adaptability to challenging terrains. 8. Rheinmetall MAN Military Vehicles HX Range. Discover the cutting-edge technology incorporated into the Rheinmetall MAN Military Vehicles HX range, offering a modern and highly capable solution for tank transport. 9. Sisu E13 TP 8x8, Nordic Excellence. Highlight the Nordic contribution with the Sisu E13 TP 8x8, a Finnish military truck known for its exceptional off-road capabilities and reliability in harsh conditions. Conclusion. As we wrap up our journey, marvel at the sheer power, engineering ingenuity, and historical significance of these 12 biggest tank transporters. These military trucks not only serve as essential components in the logistical machinery of armed forces but also stand as symbols of technological prowess and strategic mobility on the modern battlefield. 10. KRAZ 6322, Ukrainian Heavyweight. Explore the KRAZ 6322, a Ukrainian tank transporter renowned for its robust design, off-road capabilities, and its role in supporting military operations. 11. Mack Granite Heavy Haul, American Muscle. Uncover the features of the Mack Granite Heavy Haul, an American-made tank transporter known for its durability, power, and versatility in transporting heavy military equipment. 12. Tatra 815, Czech Engineering Excellence. Examine the Tatra 815, a Czech military truck celebrated for its unique chassis design, exceptional off-road performance, and its contribution to military logistics. Conclusion. As we wrap up our journey, marvel at the sheer power, engineering ingenuity, and historical significance of these 12 biggest tank transporters. These military trucks not only serve as essential components in the logistical machinery of armed forces but also stand as symbols of technological prowess and strategic mobility on the modern battlefield.